Hi, I'm the BBQ Butcher. In today's video, I've got an interesting steak here. It's called the thick skirt. This is a Kilcoy product, and the thick skirt comes from the flank. So there's 3 skirts in a flank. But anyway, let's get into it. But this is the real big meaty one. It goes by a few different names. It goes by thick skirt in New Zealand, a Barzzette steak. I believe some people call it anglais as well. But anyway, let's get into this. What we're going to do is just trim it up a little bit, take a bit of the sinew off it, get it all trimmed up, and then what we do at home is we just lay it straight on our grill and just grill it like a steak, because it is amazing. Anyway, let's get into this. So if you can see up here, a bit of gristle. So we're just going to slowly, remember, just go under with your knife, trim it all up. This is the only annoying part of this steak. It's just trimming all this up. We have my friend beside me. He's just getting an early lunch. Remember to slowly run your knife down on that angle, and it'll be great. Open it up. And this part down here, square it all up. Just use this for sausages or feeding your dog, like we do. Our dogs are very spoilt. Trim that part up. And these little bits, just take them off. It just makes it easier to cook. We put these in tacos. Slice it up. Cool. And that's that side. We'll turn it over to the other side. Just again, just slowly run your knife down like I am. Trim it all up. And get it ready to go. And then get a bit of that there. Grab hold of it and pull it. Takes it all out. And this is the part we're going to take off here. This is a very underrated steak. I love it. It's quite cheap compared to like Scotches, sirloins, but it's a very sought after piece. It goes a long way. As you can see, it's a very long steak. If you go to your butcher shop, just ask for a thick skirt, and this is what it looks like. And on the end here, where it's connected, sometimes there's a bit of, just cut into that, that sort of just joins it to the other part of the animal. So there you go. You can use it whole like that to go straight on your grill, or again, if this is too long for your grill, just cut it in half. Not this way, because it won't make them any better, this way. So yeah, real basic, thick skirt, one of my favorite steaks to cook and eat. Thanks for watching, and catch up with my next video.